Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I have a cozy, creamy and delicious chicken dinner recipe for you. We are going to be making some stewed chicken and potatoes in a rich mushroom gravy. This delicious comfort food dish is also known as жаркое in Russia and in Eastern Europe. Essentially it's a hearty potato dish with slow cooked meats. I have the beef version of this recipe in my cookbook Beyond Borscht, and it's been a fan favorite on my website for many years. And today I'm going to share this chicken version with you that we have been loving for these colder winter months, and I'm really excited to share this recipe with you. We'll start by frying up some potatoes, and then we'll make that gravy with the mushrooms, onions, a little bit of garlic, some spices, and then for the creamy aspect of the recipe, we'll mix together some sour cream and ketchup. We'll season the chicken really well with some paprika and some coriander, and then this whole dish goes into the oven for about an hour and a half until the potatoes are really tender, and that chicken should also be very soft and just kind of fall right off the bone, but still have that golden crispy skin on the top. You're going to be in food heaven with this dish. It's just so cozy and hearty, and I love it for these colder winter months. Head on down into the video description box for the recipe link. I'm going to have all the details up on my website. I'm also going to leave a link down there for my cookbook Beyond Borscht so you can check out more Eastern European recipes. Meanwhile, let's get started on this incredible dish. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You want the oven to be nice and hot, and meanwhile we'll prep all of our ingredients. We'll need 3 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes. Peel and then cube the potatoes into larger chunks. Oops, almost lost that one. But you don't want the potato to be too small, as the dish is in the oven for an hour and a half, and you don't want the potatoes to disintegrate. I'm going to be using this larger like casserole, saute pan for baking the dish today. You can also use like a large Dutch oven. You want to make sure that it has a lid so you could close it. And I love this recipe because all you need is just this one pan, no extra pans and pots to wash at the end of the evening. Preheat the pan over medium heat and then add in a couple tablespoons of avocado oil. Once this oil is nice and hot, we'll add in our potatoes. Drop those right in. Season generously with sea salt. I also like to add a little bit of ground black pepper. And we're going to fry the potatoes for about 10 to 12 minutes. I want to toss them every couple of minutes. After frying, remove the potatoes from the pan. We'll set those aside for later. I've sliced about 12 white button mushrooms, so we're going to add those into our pan next. I'm going to fry the mushrooms until they're golden all over. Once the moisture from the mushrooms has evaporated, drop in a couple teaspoons of butter. I usually use closer to a tablespoon. And then we'll drop in 1 large diced sweet onion. And we'll let this fry away for about 6 to 8 minutes until the mushrooms are golden brown and the onion is translucent and tender.